Good morning. Today we will discuss the logical instruction set in 8085 microprocessor. Logical instruction set. Third type. In logical instruction set is nothing but logical and logical or logical exclusive or compare, complement and rotate. Logical instruction such as logically and logically or logically exclusive or complement, compare and rotate instructions. In logical instruction set, total 19 instructions. Number 1, A, N, A, R. Second one, A, N, A, M. Third one, A, N, I, 8-bit data. Fourth one, O, R, A, R. Fifth one, O, R, A, M. Sixth one, O, R, I, 8-bit data. Seventh one, X, R, A, R. Eighth one, X, R, A, M. Ninth one, X, R, I, 8-bit data. Next, 10th one, CMC. 11, STC. And 12, CMP or 13, CMP M. 14, CPI 8-bit data. And 15, RLC. 16, RRC. And 17, RAN. And 18, RAR. And 19, CMA. Total 19 instruction in logical instruction set. The logical instruction set is nothing but logically and logically or logically exclusive or complement, compare and rotate. The total 19 instruction divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6. Here instruction 1, 2, 3. Instruction 1, 2, 3. This is for logically and operation. And instruction 4, 5, 6. This is for logically or operation. Instruction 7, 8, 9. This is for exclusive or operation. And these two for carry related instructions 10 and 11. And instruction 12, 13, 14. Instruction 12, 13, 14. This is for compare instruction. This is for compare instruction. And RLC, RRC, RAL and RAR. This is for rotate instruction. Rotate instruction. And the last one for complement the instruction. Complement is nothing but not operation in logical gate. Okay. Okay. First one, we will discuss the logical and AND or instruction. Before that, we will discuss operation of AND gate. Operation of AND gate. There are two input A and B and one output. That is A equal to A dot B. A equal to A dot B. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Two input means there are four input combinations. We can start at the 0 1 2 3 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here logical AND operation means this is nothing but multiplication. Okay. If both inputs are I, outputs I. If any one of the input is low, output is low. This is the operation of logical AND gate. If both inputs are I, output is I. If any one of the input is low, output is low state. Here 0 0 0 0 1. Here the condition number 1 0, output 0 1 0. Here 0 means 0. Both condition I means the output is I. This is the operation of logical AND gate. Okay. Now here the first one AND or AN stands for logically and. A stands for accumulator. Logically and accumulator with given register. Logically and accumulator with register content. Okay. Here register means or equal to general purpose register. Any general purpose register. R stands for general purpose register and accumulator. Here there are 6 general purpose register B, C, D, E, H and L and accumulator. Okay. Here the logically and accumulator with a given register. The result always to move in accumulator content. Result always to move accumulator content. This is for A, accumulator content plus, not plus. This is the symbol of AND gate. This is the symbol of AND gate and given register content and the result always to move register A. This is the operation of logically AND. Example A and A D. A and A D. A register F2H and D register 97H. Now logically and these two. Logically and these two. The corresponding binary value F means 1 1 1 2 0 0 1 0 97 9 7 1 1 1. Now logically and these two. Logically and means done operation. If both inputs are I, output is I. If any one of the input is low, output is low. Okay. This is for low means output 0. Both are I, output I. Low 0. Both are low 0. Both are I 1. This is for 1 0. Low means 0. This is low 0. Both are I is 1. Now result 92. 92 to move in A register. That is A register logically and with D register content, and the result to move A register itself. A register data F2 logically and operation 97, and then result to move A register 92H. This is the operation of logically and accumulator with the given any register content. Okay. Second one, ANAM, logically and accumulator with memory address location data. A register content logically and memory address location, or the memory address will be initialized in HL register pair. That result to move accumulator itself. Okay. First we have to initialize what is the memory address. For that we can use LXI H, 4501H. 4501H. This is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory location or memory address. In this address location, some 8-bit data will be there. That 8-bit data logically and with the accumulator content. And the result always to move A register itself. Here, memory address 4500. This is for n number of memory address location. This is for 4501 and 4502. 92, 57, 43. Okay. And here given memory address 4501. Here the 4501, the corresponding 8-bit data 57, and A register A equal to 28. A register 28. Now logically and A register data and memory address location data, and the result to move A register itself. A equal to 28 and memory address location. The address will be specified in HL register pair. Here the address for 4501. In this address location 57 data, memory equal to 57. Now logically and these two. 28 means 00108100. Next 57 0101. 7 means 0111. Now logically and these two. If any one of the input is low, output is low. This is also low 0, low 0, low 0, low 0, and low 0. Now output is 0, 0. Output is 0, 0. This result to move in A register. Now A equal to 0, 0, H. This is the operation of logically and accumulator with the memory address location data. What is the difference between these two instructions is, here data 1 in always accumulator, the second data will be here register content, and here the second data will be memory address location data. The memory will be initialized HL register pair content. Here HL 4501. Now this is the memory address location. In this address location data 57. That 57 logically and with the accumulator content. Now the accumulator 28. Okay, 28 logically and with the 57. Now result 0, 0 to move into A register. This is the operation of logically and accumulator with the memory address location data. Okay. Next, third one, ANI, 8-bit data. 8-bit data. Here AN stands for logically and accumulated with immediately given 8-bit data. AN means logically and accumulated with I stands for immediately given 8-bit data, and the result always to move accumulator itself. Example, ANI 8-bit data, suppose D7H, and A register 90H. Okay, here 8-bit data, here the immediately given, the I stands for data will be immediately given. Okay, and the previous two instruction, the second data will be either register or memory address location data, but here the data will be immediately given. The immediately given data logically and with the accumulator, and the result always to move accumulator itself. Okay, now A register 90 and immediately given data D7H 190001 91001, and D hexadecimal, the corresponding decimal value A10 11B 12C and 13D. 13 means 1101 70111. Now logically and these two same thing, both are high, output is high. Any one of the input is low, output is low. This is low 0, and here both are high 1, low condition 0, low 0, low 0, and the result 1 1. Now logically means A register data and logically and symbol immediately given 8-bit data, and the result always to move A register itself. Here A19 logically and 8-bit data D7H, and the result to move A register 1 1. This is the operation for ANI 8-bit data. AN logically and accumulator with I stands for immediately given 8-bit data. Now logically and accumulator with immediately given 8-bit data, and the result always to move accumulator itself. In logically and there are three instructions, ANAR, second one ANAM, and the third one ANI 8-bit data. All the three instructions logically and data 1 in always accumulator, the second data will be either register or memory address location data or immediately given 8-bit data. Okay, and the result always to move accumulator instruction. Okay, next fourth instruction related to OR. First we will discuss the OR operation. OR also there are two inputs A and B. Y is equal to A plus B. This is for addition. AND means multiplication, OR means addition. Two input means four combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here addition means to add the two input data. If both input low, output low condition. If any one of the input is high, output will be high still. Okay, this is the operation of OR gate. First, we'll discuss the O or A or operation. O or A or. O or stands for logically or. Logically or. A stands for accumulator and R stands for any 6 general purpose register B, C, B, E, H and L, including accumulator also. Okay. Here ORA means logic and A register content. OR means logically or. Data 1 in always accumulator. The symbol of OR operation. This is a symbol of OR and given register and the result always to move A register inside. This is the operation of logically or with the given register content. Example O or A C. O or A C. A register 26 inch and C register 54 inch. Now logically or these two. Logically or these two. 22 means 0 0 1 0 6 0 1 1 0. Next 54 5 0 1 0 1. 4 means 0 1 0 0. Now logically or these two. OR operation, both inputs are low, output is low. Any one of the input is high, output is high. 0. Both inputs 0 0. Here one condition high means output is high and here high. This is for low. This is for high. This is for high. This is for high and both are low, output is low. Now result 7 6. This result to move in A register. The operation for this one, A register, logically OR symbol and with the C register and the result to move A register. A data 26 logically OR and C register data 54 and the result to move A register 76. 76. This is the operation of logically or accumulated with the given register content and the result always to move A register itself. Okay. Okay. Fifth instruction O or A M. O or A M is logically or accumulated with the memory address location data and result always to move accumulator itself. A register content and logically or symbol memory address location data or HL register per address data and result to move always in A register. Example, in A register 90 inch and memory address location data 53 inch. First we have to initialize what is the memory address. What is the memory address? 8500 inch, 8500 inch, 8501, 8502. 8502. This is for 53, 47, 99. Okay. Here the memory will be initialized LXI H comma 8500 H. This is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory address. Okay. Here the memory address is 8500. In 8500, 53 data available. Now the 53 data logically or with the accumulator content. Logically or with the accumulator. Now this is the memory data. This is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory address. In this address location data 53. Now to logically and these two. Logically and these two. 19 0 0 0 1 19 1 0 0 1 and 53 0 1 0 1 3 means 0 0 1 1. Now logically and if any one of the input is high, output is high. If both inputs low, output low. This is for I state low, high, low. Now result fine. This is for B. Okay. Now A register logically OR with the memory address location data and the result to move A register. A register data 19H logically OR memory address location data 53 and logically add these two and the result to move accumulator. Accumulator result 5B. 5B. This is the operation of logically OR accumulator with the memory address location there. Okay. Next 6-1 ORI 8-bit data. ORI 8-bit data. Example ORI 8-bit data. Suppose F of H. F of H. OR stands for logically OR. Accumulated with the I stands for immediately given 8-bit data. Here immediately given data F of and logically OR with the accumulated content. Suppose accumulator 99H and immediately given 8-bit data F of H. Now logically OR these two 99 1001 1001. F of means 1111 1111. Now if any one of the input is high, output is I state. Now result F to move A register. To move A register. This is for A accumulator content logically OR and 8-bit data immediately given 8-bit data and the result always to move A register itself. A data 99 logically OR with F of H and the result to move A register itself. Result F of H. This is an operation of logically OR. Logically OR immediately given 8-bit data with accumulator content and the result always to move A register content. In logically OR there are 3 instructions. Number 1 OR A OR. Number 2 OR A M. Number 3 OR I 8-bit data. The main difference between these 3, all the 3 instructions logically OR data 1 in always accumulator content. Data 1 in always accumulator content. The second data will be either register or memory address location data or immediately given 8-bit data. And the result always to move accumulator itself. Okay. Simple program. Data 1 B register 96H. B register 96H. Data 2 C register 49H. Okay. Logically OR B and C result to store 4500H. Okay. Data 1 in B register 96, data 2 in C register 49, and logically add these two B and C, and the result to store 4500H. For this logic, we have to write the program. Okay, first we have to initialize the B register 96. For that, we can use MVI, move immediate. The given data immediately to move B register. That is MVI B, 96H. Second, the 49 data to move C register. The same instruction we can use MVI C, 49H. Okay, this is for data 1 in B register 96, data 2 49 in C register. Now logically or these two data 1 in available B register and data 2 available in C register. But logically or instruction, there are three instructions, ORA or ORAM and ORI 8-bit data. Here the both data available in register. So we can use this instruction. No need for this one. Why? Means data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be memory. Here the second data is not available in memory, as well as the second data is not immediately given. The data will be available in B register and C register. So we can use ORA or instruction. The ORA or means data 1 in accumulator logically or with the given register and the result to move A register. Okay. Here the both data available in general purpose register. The logically or means any one data which should be in accumulator connector. For that, to move any one data to move A register. Suppose B register data to move A register. We can move the data from one register to another register. For that, we can use MOV A, B. A, B means B register data to move A register. Now, A register 96. And second data, C register. Now, logically and these two. Data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be C register. Okay. For that, we can use O or A. Instead of or, we can use C. This is ORA means logically or A register with the C register and the result to move A register. Now result available in A register. That result to store 4500. Accumulator result 8-bit. Okay, we have to store instruction for 8-bit STA. STA means to store the accumulator result. Result already available in A register itself. So we can use directly STA 4500H means accumulator result to store this address location. Now 4500 address location, it will store the logical and result this address location, and then all to the program. This is a simple program for using logical operation. Okay, thank you.